In this video, I will show you how to create a sleek landing page for a cloud storage startup using Base44. Let's get started. I begin by typing a detailed prompt into the builder describing a modern tech business landing page for a company called Cloud Vault, including a hero banner, a features grid with pricing tiers, and a mock dashboard interface. With my prompt ready, I click the button to generate the site. As the platform builds my idea, I watch the design come to life. Once complete, I review the professional layout, which features a secure, dark-themed design highlighting zero-knowledge encryption and global edge sync. I move to the Publish menu to set the app visibility to public and finalize the deployment. With the app live, I open the site to see the final result. The landing page looks polished, showcasing sections for features, a detailed Vault dashboard, and an interactive capacity slider for pricing. It is a fully functional, high-quality site ready for launch. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.